I am happy to introduce the revolutionary app for traders and investors in the markets based on highly accurate, artificially intelligent algorithms from the legend, Alex Vieira, with an uncanny track record since 1989. We are the first to bring real-time AI portfolio analysis, AI bot trading, and AI risk analysis for the iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and Apple TV. Watch the magic synchronized across your devices. Access highly accurate AI data analysis and AI bot trade signals in a custom dashboard. Trade stocks, ETFs, Forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. We help you make better decisions by ensuring your most important, accurate, and reliable portfolio analysis is always a glance away. Choose your own portfolio and widgets according to your budget, or go with one of the available artificially intelligent plans. I invite you to enroll in the free course to learn how simple it is, and to learn what no one else can do. You are one step away from dramatically improve your life according to hundreds of legitimate users' reviews. No one can beat you using artificial intelligence in the markets.
Hi, Alex here with the holy motherfucker short squeezes. Investing in Snapchat since IPO. 100% free. On the blog of the company, we started coverage of Snapchat with the junk rating with 99% of Wall Street recommending to buy Snapchat. Snapchat share price crashed, and after the stock crashed, I upgraded Snapchat to strong buy. You are not going to see ever again $5 because I upgraded the stock to strong buy, as you have it here, free. Okay, 1 year ago. In fact, it was more than 1 year ago. Made it available, 100% free, for you to invest in Snapchat, saying that the stock was going to triple. Okay, so you can read it here, Snapchat to triple in 2019, giving you plenty of time to buy a massive amount of shares, obviously well above 2 million shares of Snapchat, the very minimum. You have here the full investment process discussed in Snapchat since IPO, the crash of Snapchat when everyone was bullish the stock. And by investing in Snapchat then in 2020, since history repeats itself, you had again a lifetime investment opportunity precisely when I covered the short positions at $9. The stock Snapchat, the bottom in 2020, it was $8. $8, for your information, is bear market prices, the single best investments ever. So at $8, when the Americans, they were on the street, riots and screaming blood and blah blah blah, obviously Snapchat, best stock to buy. We repeated this every single week. Then the earnings, they came, and Snapchat, Wall Street saying finally Snapchat, it is the best company to buy right now. So Wall Street, obviously always right. We bought more shares, $21 as well as you. So if you already had 1 million or 2 million or 5 million shares, then you turned with 10 million shares. And as of today, you have the double wow factor from autonomous trading, 100% free, as you have it here. Okay, live on the tape, unlike scammers on the web. Thank you.